we just put in at Raccoon Creek boat ramp in Jackson County, Alabama. And I've been hearing about a cave that we're supposed to be able to paddle into over here. We're gonna go try to find it today, but I just talked to a duck hunter on the boat ramp, and he said that the water's probably not up high enough for us to be able to paddle into it. So we're gonna go find it and see what happens. Alright, so the duck hunter said we needed to go across Well, we've made it. Not too bad of a paddle, but a whole bunch of grass you gotta go through to get here. It gets really shallow right here. Let's go inside. There's about 10 to 15 degree temperature drop coming out of this cave. Barn swallow birds living in here. That's hard. Paddle and hold the camera at the same time. Sounds like there's a waterfall up ahead. What do you think, babe? You hear that water? You ready to put on headlamps? Ready to go in? See if I can turn back around. It's gonna get really narrow right in there. I don't know that we can go around the curve in it in these kayaks. Huh? Oh, can you grab it? Too narrow to be using a paddle. Gonna break this hole too. Huh? I don't think we're gonna go in here, babe. It's narrow. Fishing rod out so I don't break it. Just hand it. Huh? I have to use hands on the walls. Oh, it's narrow. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going. And that's as far. Oh. Yeah, right back there. I got hung up just for a second, but then it come undone. I don't know that we're gonna make this turn up here though. We're gonna have to back out of here. Yep, as far as we go.
Can you get out of this boat?
Mike could.
Not me.
You can jam your boat up against mine and hold me still. I'll get some cool shots anyway. Woo. I'm having to walk on the boat to get to the front. Alright, I'm on solid ground. Hey, babe. You really watch her putting in here. Whew. Well, that's as far as we can go. Maybe. Yeah. That's it. End of the line. Hurry up in here. I can get to it. Don't go nowhere. I bet that's some clean water. I'm not going to try it though because I brought water with me. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, these craters in here. All in this rock. There's a big rock blocking the trail up there. About 30, 40 foot up. Huh? That black thing? It's a centipede or a millipede or something to look like. I gotta try and get back in the boat. You got me pinned?
Yeah.
Woo. No, we're good. Okay. Yeah. Let me set my camera up. The tripod was on the route to go with the camera. Ain't got nowhere to put it in here. Just roll back down so I can break it. See something on the way out. Now I can't see. Are you good? You gotta let me. I might have to be blinded by the light. There we go. Blinded by the light. My light just went out. Yeah, no, it's going to be blinded. I don't know that trust the camera sitting up there by itself. I can't see nope. Oh, now I can see fine. Paddle again now. Tight little swings of them. Yeah, I'm just trying not to knock the camera over and lose it in the water. Where you at? Bumper boats. Said bumper boats. Well, I was fixing to hit you. I don't trust the tripod on this thing. Hey, can you get up here and grab the camera for me? Or I lose it. I might be able to get it now. Excuse me. All that water I drank. I got it. Ugh. So what you think?
I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Did you take pictures too, or just?
I took some pictures. Alright, let's go see if we can find some more. It's rolling. You want to watch me get out?
Yeah.
Watch me fall.
I need to go back away from you.
Just a second when I get over here. Alright, I might get one of these and then try to use the stick. Well, we made it out of the thick stuff and are in the channel of the creek, Raccoon Creek, Jackson County, Alabama. I think, if I remember correctly, the guy that we talked to at the boat ramp said we go up past the island and turn back right in to find the other caves. They're not accessible by water though. And I believe that right there is the island. I don't want to lose it again. Just wanted to get it out of the way of the camera. Big old fish jumping. I don't know if this is it or not. Yeah, I think so. I think this is it. Oh, there's a big old fish right up here in front of me. I think he said there was 3 caves right in here. Oh, there's 2. They're small. Oh, it's nice and cool right here too. Yeah, I'm not going in those. I'm not going in. I'll get out and look. I'll get the boat up here where I can. There's a little natural arch. That's pretty cool. Let's turn this off. So that looks like water in there. Yeah. Yep, that's full of water right there. So I guess if you wanted to, you could portage your kayak over these rocks here and kayak in there. Don't think I'll be doing that today. I don't know where the other one is though. This other, he said there was 3 caves. This other one, it comes right into this one right here. So it should maybe just 3 openings. Maybe he considered that a cave too. Is there something right there?
There's an opening. There's stuff on my boat.
No. No, here, I'll let you get a picture of it.
Oh, but I can't. I can just see maybe where it's opening. I don't know that it's.
I'm wet.
You about got me.
Oh, my phone. Just waterproof for a little bit. Well, I fell. It's cold. I got water in my boat. Didn't lose nothing though.
You're gonna do it again.
Alright. Look for real.
Yeah, my towel that's wet. Babe.
Your stick stuck.
Are you gonna stay in your boat? I'm gonna turn it off now.
My boat didn't have much water in it here. more water. Where'd that headlamp go that you have?
In a Ziploc bag in my.
So you've got it in your bag?
Mhm.
Well, we got the boats emptied of water, and now we've got a ways to paddle back to get to the truck. And the wind's blowing against us the whole time. So, unless somebody falls out of the boat again, or we see Bigfoot or something else cool, then it's probably not gonna film anymore until we get to the truck.